Good afternoon, children. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, Miss.
Good afternoon, Miss. Good afternoon, Miss.
Very good
Miss,
afternoon.
class.
No. Wait. Are you ready for Hindi DRT?
Yes, Miss.
Did you
How
all
about
take
you, Miss?
your TNs? Did you all take your
Today
TNs?
revision test.
Yes, Miss. Hindi teacher.
Did you all take your TNs? All of you take.
Miss, we should write in Hindi TN.
All of you take out your Hindi TNs. I'll share the screen for you. I'll share the question paper, Hindi question paper. You have to write. Okay, all of you open your Hindi TNs and put the today's date. I'm going to share the screen. Put the today's date, everyone. I'm going to share the screen. All of you put the today's date in your Hindi TN. Don't talk. Everybody should mute yourself. Everybody should mute yourself. Nobody is allowed to unmute. No disturbance. Don't ask your parents' help. You should write on your own. Understood, everyone? Show me a digital thumb if you're ready. Don't unmute. Show me a digital thumb. Everyone, show me a digital thumb.
You should write, Miss. You should write questions also.
No need to write question paper, only answers. Children, you have to write only the answers. No need to write any questions. Question ఏమి రాయకూడదు, ఓన్లీ ఆన్సర్స్ ఒక్కటే రాయాలి. ఓకే, ఓన్లీ ఆన్సర్స్. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ రైటింగ్, రైట్ వన్ అని పెట్టి ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్సర్ రాయాలి. ఓకే, okay, this is a question paper for you. All of you start writing. First one, shabdard. If you have any doubt, you should raise your hand, then I'll ask you. Shabdard. First one, metro. శబ్దార్థ్ అంటే మీనింగ్స్ రాయాలి. ఫస్ట్ రోమన్.
Miss, show me the screen.
I'm showing you. Where are you looking at? Double tap on my screen, everyone. See, my name is there, Anita Rekha. Touch 2 times on my name. Everybody touch two times on my name.
Miss, we should write in English. That
Yes, in English.
Miss, what second meaning?
Second one is behan. First one metro. Second one behan.
Miss, what is third one?
Wait, children, I'll tell you. Let all the children write. Wait, everyone. First
Miss,
one metro.
Miss, what is today's date, Miss?
7th.
That's why I'm unmuting. That's why I'm muting you, everyone. Don't talk unnecessary things. Don't you know the today's date? Without knowing the date, you came to write the DRT. Fellows. First one is metro. Second one behan. Third one kana. Fourth one bazar. First Roman meanings రాయాలి. First one metro, second one behan, third one kana, fourth one bazaar. Very neatly. What is your doubt, Aravind? Unmute and tell me what is your doubt, Aravind.
Miss, in classwork there is
What's your doubt, ma?
Miss fourth one bazaar, miss.
Yes, bazaar. Write neatly, everyone. Very, very neat handwriting. First one metro, second one behan, third one kana, fourth one bazaar. First Roman completed means show me a digital thumb. Bhargav, don't help boy. He will write.
Not helping, miss. Usually writing, miss.
Miss completed first Roman, miss.
Very good. Okay, who completed first Roman? I'm reading for them. Second Roman is ulte ardh. Ulte ardh means opposites. Opposite you have to write. First one, sham. Sham opposite you have to write. Second one, chota. First one, sham. Second one, chota.
Sham.
Don't read out. Mute yourself, everyone. First one, sham. Second one, chota. Make it fast, children.
Second Roman complete.
Very good.
Miss second Roman first one what, miss?
Why, Aravind, while I'm telling you are sleeping? Sham. First one is sham. Second one is chota. Neat handwriting, I want, children. Done means you have to show me your thumb.
Roman.
I'll read, wait.
Third Roman.
I am reading third Roman. All of you listen to me carefully. I am not going to repeat again. If you are writing, stop and listen to the third Roman, everyone. Listen, everyone. सही शब्द पर टिक लगाए और लिखे. Okay. First one, Rohan dash is given. So gaya gaye. Which one is correct? You have to write. Rohan gaya or gaye. ఏది కరెక్టో రాయాలి. First one, look at the first one, everyone. I'm zooming the screen for you. First blank, Rohan dash is given. Gaya or gaye. Which one is correct? You have to write. This binding book unte
Miss.
Yes, children.
What is the second Roman second question?
Miss, in
Fourth one is
Yes, sir.
Miss?
Rohan dash Gaya.
What is the
Gaye
fourth
Rohan.
one? Miss?
Look at the second one, all of you. ये dash है. लड़की और लड़किया. ये dash है. ये వస్తే ఏమొస్తుంది? లड़की और लड़किया వస్తుందా? ఏది కరెక్ట్ అందులో రాయాలి. लड़किया लड़कियाना. ये dash है. सेकंड वन ये डैश है. लड़कियां लड़कियां. Havish, switch on the video. Zainab, Hasini, Chaitra. See, I'm giving you 1 minute of time, 30 seconds of time. If you didn't switch on the video, I'm going to remove you from the meeting. Otherwise, your wish. You are not allowed to write the DRT if you didn't switch on the video. Lasya and Aradhya. Video on చేయకపోతే రాయద్దు, exam రాయద్దు. No need to write the DRT if you didn't switch on the videos. Okay, now all of you look at the third one, third blank I'm reading. वह dash है. वह dash है. मुर्गा और मुर्गे. वह dash है. मुर्गा और मुर्गे. Which is correct? You have to write. If you want to talk, raise your hand. And the last one, fourth one, तुम सब कहानियां डैश लिखते हैं और लिखते हो. तुम वस्ते ఏమొస్తుంది? हैया हुआ. लिखते हैं लिखते हो. है వస్తుందా हो వస్తుందా? तुम వస్తే you have to write. तुम వచ్చింది. तुम सब कहानियां लिखते हैं అని రాయాలా, लिखते हो అని రాయాలి. You have to write the correct option there.
Miss, what's the fourth Roman?
Wait, Nana, wait. 1 minute, wait. Let your friends complete. Wait.
Miss, what is third Roman third blank, Miss?
वह डैश है. मुर्गा और मुर्गे. Which one is correct? वह వస్తే మురగా వస్తుందా, మురిగే వస్తుందా? Next, look at the fourth Roman, everyone. अंग्रेजी में लिखे. See, some sentences are given. You have to write in English. English la rayali. Some sentences are given. So all if you look at the screen, I'm going to zoom here. Fourth Roman. आप अध्यापिका है. इंग्लिश లో రాయాలి. आप अध्यापिका है. आप अध्यापिका है. In English you have to write. Translate it in English. Second one, मैं डॉक्टर हूँ. मैं डॉक्टर हूँ. फर्स्ट वन, आप अध्यापिका है. सेकंड वन, मैं डॉक्टर हूँ. फर्स्ट గా రాయాలి.
Miss,
Miss,
show
show
the
the
screen,
Roman
Miss.
fourth one. What is the third one for fourth Roman?
One by one you have to talk. If you talk like that,
Show properly.
show
Miss, showing
properly.
third
Yeah.
Roman fourth blank, Miss.
So what is happening here? Distance is changing.
Who is that? Show properly. Who is that? Can't you see the screen? It is very clear. Everybody is looking at the screen except you. See everyone, fourth Roman, third one I am reading now. First one, आप अध्यापिका है. Second one, मैं डॉक्टर हूँ. Third one, यह क्या है. यह क्या है. English లో రాయాలి. यह क्या है.
Miss, show third Roman fourth blank, Miss.
तुम सब कहानियां डैश लिखते हैं और लिखते हो. फोर्थ वन ఇంకా థర్డ్ రోమన్ లో ఉంటే ఐఎమ్ రీడింగ్ ఫోర్త్ రోమన్. వాట్ యు ఆర్ రైటింగ్? హూ ఇస్ దట్ ఆస్కింగ్ థర్డ్ రోమన్ స్టిల్? లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ ఇంకా థర్డ్ రోమన్ రాస్తున్నావా? ఫోర్త్ రోమన్ ఎప్పుడు రాస్తావు?
Completing, Miss.
Miss, tell me the fourth question.
Yes, I'll tell you children. Fourth Roman, fourth one, that is last one. यह क्या है? That one completed. Last one, वह खेलती है. वह खेलती है. Again, I'm reading the four. First one, आप अध्यापिका है. Second one, मैं डॉक्टर हूँ. Third one, यह क्या है. Fourth one, वह खेलती है. ये फोर इंग्लिश లో రాయాలి. లాస్ట్ వన్ वह खेलती है. వెరీ నీట్లీ. వెరీ గుడ్. పాప మా రోజు
Miss, the fifth Roman.
Wait, Nana, Tanish, 1 minute wait. Your friends should complete. No, 1 minute, Nana. See, only Tanish is writing, I think. Remaining fellows not responding anything.
Miss, I'm in sixth Roman.
Very good.
Miss, full completed.
Miss,
Full completed.
Miss, full
Very good.
Miss,
Very good.
fifth Roman.
Okay, now I'm going to read the fifth Roman. Listen to me, everybody. Fifth Roman read చేస్తున్నాను ఇప్పుడు. समान अर्थ वाले शब्द लिखो. समान अर्थ वाले शब्द लिखो. ఇక్కడ కొన్ని వర్డ్స్ ఇచ్చారు చూడండి పైన. గృహ, నిషా, స్కూల్, ప్రాతః. ఈ ఫోర్ వర్డ్స్ లో ఏది కరెక్ట్ రాయాలి. ఫస్ట్ వన్ రాత్. రాత్ కి విచ్ వర్డ్ ఇస్ కరెక్ట్? రాత్ అంటే సేమ్ మీనింగ్ రావాలి. రాత్ కి విచ్ వర్డ్ ఇస్ కరెక్ట్? యూ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్. గృహ, నిషా, స్కూల్, ప్రాతః. ఏది కరెక్ట్ అది రాయాలి. ఫస్ట్ వన్ రాత్. ఫాస్ట్ గా.
Miss, what is fourth Roman first question?
Why again and again asking? I told you. First one is आप अध्यापिका है. इंग्लिश लो रायाली. आप अध्यापिका है. Write in English. Very good, Kartikeya. Very good.
Sixth Roman Navyasiri Ratna.
Very good.
Is completed sixth.
completed full miss Aniket.
Sixth
Okay.
Roman means Bhadrayana.
What
is the sixth?
Wait, Nana, wait.
Can I
Wait.
update my paper?
Once wait, children. Fifth Roman, first one is Rat. Second one, Subah. Third one, Gar. Fourth one, Vidyalay. Second
Miss,
one,
I'm
Subah.
completed. Can I update my paper in the group?
Yes, you can upload your paper in the group. Third one, Gar. Fourth one, Vidyalay. After fifth Roman, you have sixth Roman, that is Vachan Badalo. Very easy Roman. Vachan Badalo. First one, Ladaka. Vachan Badalo, you have to write. Vachan Rayali. First one, Ladaka. Vignesh, are you writing? Vignesh, switch on your video, Vignesh. Are you writing?
Miss video పెట్టు.
Question paper రాయాలి. నేను వస్తున్నాను. Question paper రాయాలి fast గా.
Miss show the screen miss. Miss show the screen miss.
లడకే.
Miss show the screen miss. Miss show me the screen.
Yes, I am showing you. Wait. Wait, Nana, ఒక్కసారి. Yes.
Miss, can I talk?
Second one, kursi. First one, ladaka. Second one, kursi. Vachan badlo rayali. Third one, gubbara.
Miss singular plural.
Yeah, singular plural. Vachan badlo ante singular plural.
Miss
First one, ladaka. నేను చెప్పేది వింటారా? మీరు చెప్పేది నేను విన్నా? లిసన్ ఎవ్రీవన్. సింగులర్ ప్లూరల్ రాయాలి ఇక్కడ. ఫస్ట్ వన్ లడక, సెకండ్ వన్ కుర్సీ, థర్డ్ వన్ గుబ్బారా, ఫోర్త్ వన్ మురగా. Who completed the paper you can leave and you should post in the group. Who didn't complete, yeah, the screen will be like this only. If you want, you can see and you can write. Who completed, they can leave and they can upload their papers in the group.
Miss, what is fourth one? Third point, Miss.
Fourth Romanama.
Yes, Miss.
Fourth Roman, third one. यह क्या है? यह क्या है? In English you have to write यह क्या है? You can zoom, children, if you want. You can zoom the screen. Very neat handwriting, children.
This test completed for Prem sir. This completed, Miss
Full paper
Fatima.
completed, Prem Sharan. You can upload your paper.
This
in the
full
group.
paper completed, Miss Fatima. Yes,
Very
Miss.
good, Fatima. Very good, Prem. You can leave and post the paper in the group.
Yes, Miss.
क्वेश्चन राइट कर लेते हैं చెప్తారా
Ma, no need to write the question. Question try do. Only answer.